Welcome guys, today I will show you how to enable battery saver mode on POCO F8 Ultra. So, let's open the settings app, scroll down and choose the battery chapter. Here, pick current mode part. From the appeared options, you can choose battery saver mode or Ultra battery saver mode. So let's try the Ultra one. Read the information that you will see on the screen. Also you can choose don't show again and accept by OK. So now you can see system activating Ultra battery saver mode. Now your device will look like that, without many of options, etc. So let's open the settings app again, where we can find it. Okay, by using this X icon you can turn off this mode and, for example, back to the battery chapter and use the normal battery saver mode. Read the text you will see and hit OK. So, if this video was helpful, like it, leave some comment below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.